In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Basecamp, open a project, and use chat, pings, and file attachments effectively. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. From wherever you are in the app, head to the main home screen. This is your central dashboard, and it's where you can see all of your projects at a glance. If you ever feel lost in Basecamp, returning to home is the easiest way to get oriented again. On the home screen, look for the project called My Project. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main project space where all the tools and conversations for that specific project live. Inside My Project, you'll see different cards or sections. Find the one labeled Test and click on it. Think of this as a specific area or thread inside your project where related work is grouped together. Within this area, look for the Chat section and click on the highlight you want to open. This will bring you into the conversation view where you can read messages and add your own. In the message box, you'll see various text options. Click on the text options to reveal formatting tools. These let you tweak how your message looks, making it easier for your team to quickly scan and understand what you're saying. Next, click on Add Emoji. Emojis can help add tone to your messages, making them feel more human and friendly, and can be useful for quick reactions or status updates. Now, to share extra context, click on Attach a File. This opens up options for what you can attach. Choose File to upload something directly from your computer, like a document, image, or PDF that supports the conversation. In the chat list, you may see entries labeled with times, such as 4:55 p.m. Clicking on a specific timestamp helps you jump back into a particular conversation thread at that moment, which is especially useful if you're following up on something discussed earlier. From here, move to the Pings section by clicking on Pings. Pings are your direct messages in Basecamp, useful for one-on-one or small, focused conversations. In the Search or Recipient field, start typing the word Highlight to find the person or conversation you're looking for. When the correct contact appears, click on it to open that private chat. You can then click into the message area and continue using highlights and formatting as needed. When you're done, return to the main overview by clicking on Home again. This takes you back to your starting point, ready to jump into another project or conversation.